Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be a quite a lot interesting video and it is quite trending on YouTube. So I thought why not let's make a video. So without wasting a lot of time, let's get into this video. So let's begin with the video. So today Shrunali is doing my makeup and she is the best reviewed makeup artist in Pune. Now she's cleaning my face just to remove all the product that I have on my skin, and I did not apply anything apart from sunscreen, so she made sure she had removed that. She is now applying the base on my eyelid with a derma color. I am not really sure about what shade she used on my eyelid, but she made a smooth base because I told her to do smoky eye. I thought this would be a difficult job for her because my eyes are a little dark, but she made sure she did a really pretty job. Now she is blending with a beauty blender to make that perfect base. Once the blending is done, she would now apply the loose powder over my lid so that the product which she would be applying on my eyelids, that won't crease and that won't stick into my eyes with this oil based base. So now she has applied the loose powder with a fluffy powder brush. She was using all the MAC brushes and these brushes were really smooth. Now she has taken a flat brush and she is applying a black eyeliner over my lid. I don't know what is the brand, but all the products were branded products and high-end products. So now she has taken a fluffy brush and she is blending out really well. So she made sure she used all the steps properly and her techniques were really good, and the application was easy and the makeup tutorial was complete, a smooth procedure. So now as you can see in the video, she is now blending it very nicely because the black should not be all over the place. She made sure it is blended well. She took almost 25 minutes to just do my eye makeup. She was that precise about the application and the shadow and the blending. However, I forwarded this video so that this video won't be too boring for you guys. So now she is doing the other side, and she has also taken a different MAC brush and she has applied the red eyeshadow onto the corner of my eyes to give that smoky effect with two colors. She is nicely blending with the black eyeshadow, and you can check in the last how beautiful that makeup turned out to be. Now she is blending. She took one more brush and then she started blending. These are all the fluffy brushes. I don't know what are the names of these eyeshadow brushes. Now she is highlighting my under eye part. She told me that she would be highlighting under eye and forehead and she would be giving me that dusky look which I already have. You know, I feel so sad for this makeup artist because my skin was completely breaked out. All the spots over my face, all whiteheads, all melia over my face, but she really did a very good job. Now she is taking a light shade than my skin tone and then she has covered my eye area, the one which is darker than my skin. Now she is taking out orange color corrector from Krylon and with a flat brush she has applied over all my skin, and she told me that orange is the only color that cuts out the black color. You know, she was so good at explaining the products. I really enjoyed this video session. I then later decided that I should get a photo shoot done, so I might add a clip here and there how the makeup turned out to be. And then she blended it really nicely with a damp beauty blender and she spread all the orange color just to even out the skin and make a smooth base. So now the concealer and the orange is mixed really well, and I forgot the clip. She has also applied the primer onto my skin just to make that makeup look long, last long, and should not be very sticky and all that. And now she's applied LA Girls foundation in my shade. It was a liquid foundation. She applied all over my face, and with the help of stippling brush she is now blending it all over my face and the neck area. She made sure she did not make my face pale white. Instead, she kept my face the color which I am into, and then she has just enhanced my looks. Now she's applying a blush she had from MAC. She has now taken a black eyeliner and she is doing it under my waterline. She's just taken below waterline, and then she is lining my eyes. And now with a fluffy brush she will just smoke out that eye. This would give a nice smoky effect over your eyes. Now she's taking a Europe Girl highlighter and she's highlighting my cheekbones just on top of my cheeks, the high ends. I missed the contouring clip of my nose, but she has contoured my nose with a powder contour. Now she is eyelining my eyebrows. She is doing my eyebrows with a brown gel eyebrow liner, I think. The clip is not really clear, but she has made my eyebrows look really subtle and very natural looking. She did not do it too much or did not make it dark black or dark brown, but she kept it natural. After eyebrows, she has lined my lips with a Huda Beauty lipstick in the nude shade, and she is just lining my lips with a lip liner brush. That was a good part. She did not directly apply lipstick on my skin, on my lips, sorry. Now she is lining my lips with this nude subtle lipstick. As my eye makeup was very heavy, she did my lips with a nude color, and that looked really good in pictures. So she is lining with this lipstick, lip liner, I guess, Huda's, and then she applied Huda Beauty's lipstick over my lips, and then she did my lips. Oh, this was a gloss I think she applied, I'm not sure, but my lips were really glossy. After the lips, she has applied highlighter over my cupid's bow and top of my forehead and on my chin area a little bit. She has highlighted it properly. The clips are a little frustrating at this point of time. After that, she has applied lashes. She applied it so neatly and tidily. Now she is taking a shiny glitter from Miss Claire, and she has just highlighted under that eyebrow area. So once my face is done, she also given me soft curls. She used some hairspray and then she curled my hair and she gave me those natural looking waves. And this is the final look, guys.